Ni university ya JKUAT Juja kaunti ya Kiambu arutani amaugite matire mamukira nyongerera mishahara toria marikanire na thirikari kuria mwandiki munene wa kiama kiu Wasu Constantine Wesonga augire gutiri murutani no mugucoka kirathi nginyagia riria makamukira nyongerera ya mishahara.
We are on strike. Let nobody ever imagine that we'll go back without this CBA being implemented in total.
We have categorically said we are going to remain out of the lecture rooms until we are paid the said monies.
We shall never be divided.
Ndumiriri yote no yuma thukuru wa Egerton University Joro kaunti ya Nakuru kurarutani amaugire ni meguthi na mbere kuigamiro yao thi inyagia ya thirikari gukinyaniria girimiti yao.
We are waiting to be paid, and there will be no academic activities until all arrears have been paid, that is arrears for the 4 months, and the salaries have been enhanced.
Arutana tonanire nao ni monanire kigiriko kinene kuria mauririe thirikari gwitikira kunanira njungu na arutani aya niguo gutigirira mugomo uno wathira na mathomo macokereria.
My appeal is for the both parties, that is the government and the union, to come together, have a meeting and discuss this issue, because it is really has become a thorn in the flesh.
This is the third strike in this year, and it's actually affecting the students so much because people like us have not even done exams. Last semester we are so rushed just to finish the semester, and then this semester before even it started, we've already the strike has started.
Agoko mugomo arutani ugithiaga na mbere aruto university ya Nairobi ni morete gucokerera thukuru kiumia turorete muthenya wa Jumatatu thutha wa thukuru yo gukorwo ihingitwo kwa ihinda iguru ria ngahera icio meritho wa mubunge Embakasi no ria wari mutongoria wa kiama kia aruto a thukuru ucio Babu Owino gwikio ngono. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, ritora kwa ni Ngugi wa Gatua.